I think a lot of people who come to us just feel overwhelmed because there is so much information out there. There are so many people coming to them, Facebook and TikTok and CNN and CNBC, all of these outlets, that they're confused. And when you can just kind of break it down for them to the level of control what you can control. You can control your plan, you can control your planning. You can't control politics, you can't control the economy. You can control what you can control. We do a lot of work to get to know people up front. We've actually trademarked a process to get people talking about themselves and their lives and how they feel about money and why they feel the way they do about money, so that we get to know them better and can create a strategy for them that's tailored to their actual mission, vision, values, and goals. It was Dwight Eisenhower who said that plans are useless, but planning is essential. When you create a plan, as soon as you put it on paper, it's old. But that activity of going back and planning constantly, that's where the magic happens, because you're constantly looking for ways to improve. Replanning the plan. But if you're going to do it yourself, I think you really need to just step back and understand what you're giving up. What is your time worth? What is going to get missed because you're not an expert? You can become an expert, but it's going to take time, and you're going to make mistakes. I would rather learn from other people's mistakes than make them on my own, and that's why we feel pretty confident that the processes we put in place for clients are going to work for them all the way through retirement.